Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix fonts and text messages on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app. Click on storage. After click on storage, click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your network. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on general management, click on reset and click on reset network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.